Hello and good evening. And my name is Sanjana, and I'm one of the team members of Project One, Customer Segmentation and Market Basket Analysis. In this project, we actually, in the first part, we segmented the customers through using many clustering techniques and identified their customer preferences and targeted a group of audience as our target audience. And this was actually done considering various concept weights like age, group, and spending score annual income. Through this, we clustered the groups and found out the target audience. And the other part, which is actually market basket analysis, here we found out the correlations between the products, and we thought of finding out which two projects are more wide in pattern. We try to observe the hidden patterns of each products and how they are correlated. Now let me explain you the data set which we done. The actually we didn't actually get the data set in the start. We created a Google Forms and sent to the people we know in our locality and based on different age groups so that the output would be very feasible to us. So let me share the screen. This is our data set. Here you can see the customer ID, which were unique representation of each customers and the names respectively, and the age. Age plays actually a very big role. So we thought of correlating the objects with along with the age and the gender, male and female. For the male, we have put 1, and for the female, we registered them as 0, so that it would be very easy in the coding part. And the annual income. Annual income plays a very good role in clustering part. Annual income and spending score is the very major part which we thought of putting in the code. Spending score is rated between 1 to 100 according to the performance of the customer, like how good they purchase the products and their respective behavior. Time. Time actually is when a customer entered the market and he bought all the products. With time, we thought of getting the relations between like milk. If you see, it in the morning the milk is purchased more, and in the afternoon, flour and rice parts are purchased more, and in the evening the vegetables and frozen vegetables, candies were purchased more. And this is the quantity. This is the whole market basket. This is the basket which the customers buy. The quantity column represents the how much total amount of items are present in the basket, and the item one, item two are the items accordingly. So coming to the coding part, I actually will explain you about the market basket analysis. So in the first step, we installed a priori algorithm. So an a priori algorithm is the most feasible thing we thought it would suit for the project, and because it actually works upon three main features: support, confidence, and lift. Support is actually, it states how popular of an item in an item set is. There are, in the other word, it would say like a frequency of an item. And then next, the confidence. Confidence is how likely an item B is purchased when an item A is already purchased. In other words, it would be like out of all the transactions, how many times would the item B will appear if item A is purchased? It is actually interrelated. So for this, we need to consider all the transactions having both the products A and B. And next, the lift. It is the ratio of expected confidence with the observed confidence. Okay, now the importing the dataset part is done. And this code is actually meant to count the number of items that are occurring in the code. Like if you see the milk 195, bread 102, it is actually how many times the milk appeared in the item 1. And then if you go item 2, bread is at the highest with 141. Like this, we counted of all the items from item 1 to item 10. Milk has the highest frequency with 365, and then next the onion. So we can actually think that these milk, onion, eggs, tomato, that is all fruit jam are all our targeted products which audience are buying more. And when it comes to the least specialty bar, soya sauce, cucumber, potato are the least purchased ones, so we can concentrate less on them compared to the other. And now to fill the empty spaces with zero in the code, we fill this one. In the a priori rules, we have set the transactions with a minimum support of 0.03 and minimum confidence of 0.02 and minimum length of 0 is 3. Whereas the left is approximately around 3. So if it is above 3, we thought of considering the items, and if it is below 3, we thought of not concentrating on it much. And then we printed the results, and it came out this way. All are empty lists which contains LHS, RHS, confidence, and lift respectively in the first, second, third, fourth values. The loop number of row times and append by one in a separate list. First and second element was frozen set which we need to be converted in the list. All four empty lists which contains LHS, RHS, and confidence and left respectively. Loop number of times. It was a loop a number of times of append by one in a separate list. First and second element was a frozen set which need to be converted in the list. So here we converted all the four lists into data frame for further operation. Now the concatenating part of the list together in a single data frame is done, and it is named as data final. And here it displays the LHS part, the RHS, and support, confidence, and left. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is added into LHS, and then the next is RHS, the support, confidence, and left. And then the 3, 4, 5 columns are dropped for the LHS and RHS to be described perfectly. And now here it comes LHS, RHS, support, confidence, and left. So how it's actually working is like the cabbage and potato are in the LHS, which to which the tomato, coconut, cucumber in the RHS are recommended. The LHS is the part which is already in the customer's basket, and RHS is the one which needs to be recommended to the customer. And so the cabbage, potato, tomato, coconut, cucumber, and everything are done. Here we can actually see the correlations between the one to cabbage and potato is purchased more, and tomato, coconut, cucumber goes as a well higher as well. So this is the project, and thank you so much for giving us this opportunity.